Welcome to Yeti Confetti's Hygiene Train. Learn from characters like Leo, Doogie, and Curious Chloe about the importance of hygiene. In these stories, we will see the negative effects of not showering, brushing your teeth, or cola, and instead how to keep good routines.
Leo wakes up. Oops, he needs to go potty. It's cold. Leo stays in bed. Oops, he wets his bed. Leo is playing with stuffies. Oops, he needs to go potty. But Stuffy needs more hugs. Leo keeps playing. Oops, he wets the carpet. Mommy brings Leo a new body stool. Let's try it. See? It's easy. The next time Leo needs to go potty, he climbs onto the stool as fast as he can. Almost, he wets the stool. It's okay, Leo, Mommy says. We can try again. Leo practices. He counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to get to the potty. Yippee! He did it! Leo is proud of himself for not giving up. You can do it too. Potty like a rock star.
This story is called The Importance of Brushing Teeth. Doogie decides he no longer wants to brush his teeth because he's on a camping trip. Watch as he quickly finds out the negative side effects of not brushing his teeth.
This week, Doogie is at a super fun sleepaway camp. He's eating all the yummy snacks he's ever wanted, and he is so happy. After playing all day, Doogie forgets to brush his teeth. Doogie doesn't brush his teeth in the morning or at night. Mommy's not here, so I don't have to brush my teeth anymore, Doogie thinks to himself. Doogie decides not to brush his teeth for the whole week. But after a few days, one of Doogie's teeth starts to hurt and his breath becomes stinky. Doogie goes to the nurse to find out what's wrong. The nurse takes one look at his teeth, then sighs. She explains to him that his tooth hurts and his breath is smelly because he hasn't been brushing his teeth. But Mommy isn't here. Can't I just brush them in the morning only? Your teeth need brushing 2 times a day, Doogie. In the morning, so your breath smells fresh and minty, and at night to clean all the leftovers out. Doogie realizes he needs to take better care of his teeth and hygiene. He decides to brush his teeth once in the morning and once at night by himself.
Ooh.
Sure enough, his teeth stopped hurting and his breath smells good again. Doogie decides to keep brushing his teeth even after camp. No one wants smelly teeth. I'll take super good care of my teeth and make them the cleanest you've ever seen.
Brushing your teeth at least 2 times a day, 2 minutes each time, helps protect against bad breath and toothaches. Make sure to take care of your body so it can take care of you. This story is called The Magic Pool Party Adventure with Curious Chloe. Learn about the importance of asking Mommy before trying new things as she tries soda for the first time with her friend Carrots.
Hi, Curious Chloe here. My family and I are preparing for a pool party. I invited Carrots. Sounds like an incredible party, right? As I wait for Carrots to arrive, I notice my parents setting out drinks for guests. My eyes light up when I see the fizzy cola. I need to have it. Mommy, may I please have some cola? Mommy shook her head.
No, sweetheart. Cola is for adults only. It's not good for you.
I was confused. Why is it just for adults? When Carrots finally arrives, I tell her all about my disappointment of not getting any cola. Shh. Don't worry, Chloe, Carrots says. We'll sneak some. Carrots and I search everywhere in the backyard for a chance to grab some cola. When I find a weird-looking glove hidden in the bushes, it has so many cool symbols and patterns. Is it magical? I thought to myself. But when I slipped the glove on my hand, nothing happened. Ugh, this glove is so silly. I wish I could just have some cola. Suddenly, the glove begins to glow, and a can of cola appears in front of us. Carrots is excited. Chloe, that glove must be magical. Can you wish for a cola for me too? I nodded and wished for another cola can. Carrots and I felt so much energy and ran around the backyard. But soon enough, we started feeling bad and tired. I didn't know why I felt so tired and groggy. I was just playing and having a yummy snack. Now my tummy hurts too. Mommy walks up to us with crossed arms.
You two had some cola, didn't you?
I hesitated, but I know it's wrong to lie to Mommy. Yes, Mommy, we found a magical glove and used it to wish for some cola. Mommy sits down next to us and sighs.
You see, cola contains caffeine. Do you know what caffeine does?
Mommy asks. Carrots and I shake our heads.
It can give you a short burst of energy, but makes you super tired afterwards. It affects kids more than adults, and the chemicals in the cola can also hurt your teeth, which is why I didn't want you to have any.
Feeling sorry, I hand the magical glove to Mommy. Mommy smiles and says,
Thank you for being honest, Chloe. I'm sorry I didn't explain earlier. If you ever want to try cola again, you can have a tiny sip, but only with my permission, okay?
Okay, Carrots and I say together. Now, why don't we wish for a cure for our tummy ache? I shouted.
I think it's more important that you go brush your teeth right now,
Mommy said with a smile.
Fizzy drinks like cola have a lot of sugar and caffeine that's not good for our bodies. Ask an adult before trying these drinks. This story is called A Magical Tale About Hygiene. Join Timmy as he learns the importance of a consistent shower routine in order to keep his glowing aura with him at all times.
Timmy and his family have a super special power. They can glow in the dark. But Timmy needs to remember to take care of himself and have good hygiene, or he won't be able to glow. Timmy's mom told him a showering routine is important, but this week he feels too tired to do it. He has so much work to do, and showering is annoying. I don't want to shower. It's so much work and it's no fun. I'm not going to shower for the whole week, Timmy says to himself. And you know what? I don't want to brush my teeth or wash my hands either. Timmy doesn't shower, brush, or wash his hands the whole week. But each night, Timmy gets dimmer and dimmer. He's so confused. How could this be happening? Timmy runs over to talk to his mom. "Mommy, I'm barely glowing anymore. What's happening?" Mommy says,
Have you made sure to shower? You smell pretty stinky. Part of taking care of yourself is by taking care of hygiene. You need to wash your hands, shower, and brush your teeth. Without those things, there's no way you'll glow as bright.
The next day, Timmy makes sure to shower and brush his teeth every day. And every time he uses the bathroom, he remembers to wash his hands. Each day, he starts glowing brighter and brighter. Eventually, Timmy is glowing brighter than ever before. When he goes to school the next day, his friends ask, "Timmy, how did you get so bright?" Timmy says, "The secret is good hygiene."
This story is called Max, Marvel, and First Aid for Kids. Join Max Marvel as he teaches his friend Rainbow how to treat a wound after tripping and scraping their leg with the 3 C's.
Max, Marvel, and Rainbow are so excited to go hiking today. They heard about an amazing clearing in the forest where magical flowers grow. After a few hours of trekking, Rainbow and Max decide to run the last mile. Uh-oh! Rainbow trips over a small rock. It looks like she's hurt. Max runs to Rainbow. Rainbow looks scared. "Max, this really hurts. What do I do?" Max thinks for a while, then remembers something he learned in first aid class. "Rainbow, I know what to do. If we remember the 3 C's, you'll be alright." "What are the 3 C's?" Rainbow asks. The first C is for calm. Calm down and take a deep breath. Rainbow takes 3 deep breaths and quickly stops panicking. "Awesome job, Rainbow." Next, Max reaches for his backpack. The second C is for clean. Clean the scrape with water and some soap. "Ouch," Rainbow says. "That stings." "I know it hurts right now," Max says, "but if we don't treat it, it may get infected and become more uncomfortable." The final C is for cover, Max says. "Cover the scrape with a Band-Aid." Max helps Rainbow up, but her leg still hurts. "Let's take it easy and head home for the day," Max says. "But what about the magic flowers?" Rainbow says. "It's okay. It's more important that you rest your injured legs. We can always come back." Once Rainbow got home, she remembers to think about the 3 C's. Be calm, clean the scrape, and cover it with a Band-Aid. What a fun and easy way to remember what to do next time anyone needs help with a small injury.
Remember, calm yourself down, clean your wound, and cover it to stay in tip-top shape even when accidents happen.